Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your cover photo on Facebook without uploading. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app, tap on the menu icon right here. Now tap on the profile. Here you can see the camera icon. Just tap here. Tap on select photos on Facebook or you can tap on your gallery also. Let's tap on the uploads or albums. So let me select one of the photo and here you can see here your update to news feeds. Simply tap here and unselect this option. And now if you post this, your cover photo is changed now and you can scroll down and here you can see there is no updates of changing your cover photo. So this is how you can change your cover photo without uploading to your timeline. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.